Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you what is STEM on TikTok. So the STEM feed on TikTok is a dedicated section for videos related to science, technology, engineering and math. This feed shows up next to the feed following and for you here at the top. And basically all videos that you see in this feed are reviewed for accuracy and age appropriateness by experts. That makes it a trusted space for only educational content. It is especially popular with teenagers, and this feed is really growing fast. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.